I used to listen to a lot of old school music, you know what I'm saying? My uncles and cousins were street niggas, you did. You know, music with their thing, putting beats in their car, playing their music, that was their thing. I just grew into music from what they was on, but I've been putting my own songs and shit together since I probably about 8 or 9 years old. So that's why this shit so natural to me. Like, I don't write it, just come out. It's so natural because I've been doing this shit for so long. Yeah. It's just I haven't been serious with it, you know what I'm saying? No, I just love music, you feel me? And with my music, you gonna get all it. You ain't gonna just get one flow, one topic, you know, cause you listen to these rappers these days, all that shit sound the same. You know what I'm saying? You listen to one song, you pretty much heard everything he got to talk about. So, you know, you ain't getting there with me though. You did. But we get money, you feel me? I'm gonna teach you how to stack this shit. For the streets, I'm trying to instill morals back in you. So it's like, I'm trying to bring that type of shit back to put it on your mind that did what's going on.